This, again, for the entire weekend cost us $100 for this cabin. Man, that is just beautiful. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. I've got an awesome video for you today. Another fantastic destination if you're in the tri-state area, in the Northeast, around New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and or New York. This is an awesome spot. Let me just show you around here real quick. This is Camp FNR. I've got the drone there. I'm about to launch it to give you a nice aerial view so you can see what this looks like. So in this video, I'm going to give you some aerial views of this area, and then we're going to get on the bike and we're going to go on some of these awesome twisty roads. I've got the 360 camera. I've got the GoPro, give you some of those different angles, and just do what we do here at the FLY&RIDE channel. Just bring you awesome destinations, awesome cinematic drone footage, awesome riding, awesome places that you can consider if you're in the area. If you're new here, I'm FLY&RIDE, and on this channel I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews, all on my 2020 Street Glide CVO and on my 2022 BMW R1250 GS that you see right there. I feature cinematic drone footage flying my DJI Mavic 3 drone, which is right there. And we do destination rides, group rides, and checking out awesome destinations like we're about to do here. So do me a favor, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification. Now let me show you this awesome aerial view first, and then we'll jump on the bike and tell you what this area is so you can come and check this out. Let's launch the drone. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed that nice aerial view of this entire area. So this is called Jenny Jump State Park. It's in New Jersey, and as you can tell, it's got some awesome log cabins. I'll show you that inside here on the way back. We're gonna go for a quick ride, check out some of these trails, on and off road, very light off road as you can tell. So enjoy the ride. All right, got my Indy Ridge gloves, Beyond Riders protective shirt. Let's go check out some of these trails here. I think there's a path that connects to a road back there, so let's check that out. Let's put it in Enduro Pro. see what we got. Man, these roads are awesome. All right, what's this say here? Let's go in through here, see what this is. Very cool. I think this might be like an observatory or something here. All right, let's go back down. By the way, exactly what I'm doing right now, that's why I absolutely love this bike. You get to explore all of these amazing places on and off road. And let me tell you, I've got road tires on this thing, and yeah, I've got to be careful, but yeah, that's the observatory. Man, look at these roads. Awesome. I don't know, the road in some parts looks wet. I guess it's from the water coming down from the mountain. Nice little downhill. All right, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go grab Mrs. Fly and Ride, and then we're gonna go keep checking out some of these nice country roads. Look at this. This is just awesome. Let's put it on Dynamic Road, Dynamic Pro here. See, the road is wet there. Taking it nice and easy around here. You just so I showed you that tower right up there from the drone a little while ago. Man, look at that house. Woo. That is nice. I'll take it. Back on Enduro Pro. All right, right in here. Let's go. I'm picking up Mrs. Fly and Ride. We're gonna keep going and check out some of these nice twisty roads. Stand by. We're gonna head over to check out a nice town that's nearby here. Take out some of these backcountry roads. We're gonna go check out Hackettstown. So if you're from this area, you know exactly where I am. Beautiful area. It's all about backcountry roads, beautiful weather, Mrs. Fly and Ride back there. This is just awesome. So look, do me a favor, if you're liking this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded. This is the kind of content that I'd like to bring you here in the channel. Beautiful destinations all over the great state of New Jersey. While we're riding and enjoying some of these beautiful roads, let me just tell you about those cabins. So I think there's a total of 9 cabins. There's also spots for tents back there, and I think another section for trailers. But this is really the first time that we've tried the cabins. At least I have. My brother-in-law has. He's the one that told us about it. And let me tell you, yes, of course, you're not roughing it entirely, but the cabin is not powered. It's got a stove in there. You're going to see that here in a second. And I think it's just perfect, especially if you're here with the family, which I am. You know, it's a great way for them to still come out and enjoy the outdoors and not have to do the extreme like tent. I mean, it was 32 degrees last night. And let me tell you, that stove in there just heats up that entire cabin. It was actually hot throughout the night. And each of those cabins are all equipped with 4 independent bunk beds, so the cabins fit 4 comfortably. It's got a little table, it's got a little deck. Again, I just think it's perfect. Plus, not to mention, you're basically an hour and 20 minutes maybe from New York City maximum. It's about an hour and 15 minutes from my house. I mean, look at this. It's just beautiful. And I think the tent, I think the cabins cost $100 for the entire weekend. So you check in Friday at 12 and you have to check out by tomorrow on Sunday by 12 o'clock, which again is just fine as far as I'm concerned. And in my view, there's just nothing like coming out here, enjoying the great outdoors, and I get to ride while I'm doing it with Mrs. Fly and Ride. And of course, I get to go back and now hang out by the fireplace. I'll show you some of that. Enjoy a bit of a beverage, whatever your preferred beverage is. And just be grateful. This is Route 611. We're in Warren County. For those of you that are watching and may be familiar with the area. It's interesting. I grew up as a kid coming up here hunting in Warren County with my dad and family. And I haven't been back in this area in a very long time, and absolutely love it. Thank you. See that? Land of make-believe. Looks like a water park, I guess, for the summertime. Man, that is just beautiful. They put sand and salt already out here on the roads because of course it gets below freezing here at nighttime. Temperature is 56 degrees right now, so we don't have to worry about black ice. But man, this has got to get dicey when the temperatures go down below zero. So just a word of caution if you're thinking about coming out here, especially in the wintertime. These roads have a lot of water coming out of the mountains. See, you can tell right here. I just rode past that before. I didn't realize it was so much closer coming out through that back way. So as you can tell, there's two entrances. There's the main entrance, which is where we came out of now just a second ago, and then the back entrance is by the observatory. All right, we're in Hackettstown, New Jersey. Check out the town. So of course, as usual, the GoPro died back there. It's got a great sort of main street here. Got a bunch of stores. I don't know if you can see the main road from here. Looks like a cool little town. Let me show you the cabin inside. It's got a nice little covered porch here. I've got my nice little handy dandy generator. Inside and show you this. So we've got two bunks right here. Nice stove here. Keeps this cabin super toasty. We're packing it up, so pardon the mess. Got a nice little table here, which usually is stacked right here. Got some shelves back there. This is a portable potty we got. Great view. And then the other bunks are right back here. So it sits four very comfortably. And if needed, you could probably put something here in the space for a fifth. That's about it. And this, again, for the entire weekend cost us $100 for this cabin. this place is awesome, convenient. You know, certainly you're not roughing it because you don't have a tent. So it's a great option, particularly if you're with your family and they don't enjoy the full sort of camping experience. I think this is a great alternative. Highly, highly recommended. Jenny Jump, New Jersey. So look, we're gonna keep enjoying some of these amazing roads. This is again, the kind of content we'd like to bring you here in the Fly&Ride channel. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content. Thanks for watching.